Nestled in the beautiful Cotswold Countryside on the outskirts of the idyllic market town of Chipping Norton is Cromwell Park Dental Care, a dental practice dedicated to providing exceptional dental care using the latest digital dentistry techniques, as Dr. Claire Hudson explains.
We're looking to provide a really caring service at the same time as providing some absolutely excellent dental care. If you're looking to get state-of-the-art dentistry, but somewhere where you can feel as relaxed as possible and know that every single member of our team really cares about your teeth and you as a person, this is the place to come. We've got lots and lots of different treatment options for you, whether you need Invisalign or implants or crown and bridge work where you don't have to have any impressions because we've got iTero. We have a really broad range of services, but also we're here to hold your hand if you need us to. We can even give you some sedation if you need it. But come along and see us and we'll look after you at our very best. iTero is a massive game changer. It's some really exciting technology that means that the days of gooey, gungy impressions are fading into the distance, which to many people is an extremely good piece of news. I have never found a patient that's really enjoyed having an impression taken. It does make people gag. Some people can't tolerate them at all, and actually there's a lot of different things that certain people don't like aspects of dentistry, and having an impression taken is high up on that list. So with our iTero system, we use a wand, we take a series of little pictures of your teeth, and the incredibly clever technology stitches those images together, so we build a three-dimensional model of your teeth inside the computer system. We can then email it off to our lab, Burns Dental Laboratory, who can then create you the most beautiful piece of work. And we can do that for crowns, we can do that for bridges, we can do it for implant crowns and implant bridges, and we use it with Invisalign. As well as being much easier to tolerate generally, you have the advantage that with an impression, once it's in there, we can't take it out until it's set. With this, if you need a break, because some people do have trouble keeping their mouth open for a long period of time, you can stop at any point, we have a rest, we carry on when you're ready again. So it's a much easier process and the results are beautiful. Invisalign is a revolutionary system. It means that for those people that really want straight teeth but don't want to have a mouthful of metalwork, they can get those teeth straightened with a really discreet system. You've got a lot of people these days who are in high-powered jobs and so on and so forth and feel that they might be nervous to have or embarrassed to have metal all over their teeth. We just don't need to do it now. There's very few situations where we can't use Invisalign. It's incredibly discreet. I've had people that say my best friend didn't even notice when I started wearing it, and we get some absolutely fantastic results. We have the advantage here that we can use it alongside iTero, so we don't even have to take an impression to get your teeth straightened, which most people aren't too fond of. Implant technology these days is amazing, and it's an excellent solution where you've got missing teeth. There are very few times when it's an inappropriate solution. The days gone by, we used to be talking about dentures. People often say to me, oh, dentures must have improved masses over the years. And I say, no, they haven't particularly improved because we know that implants are so much better. And that's what people tend to be going for these days because they don't want something they have to take out at night, they want something that's fixed, they want something that looks as natural as possible. And that's something that we're able to provide. And we're very lucky because we have Dr. Matt Perkins, who as well as doing implants is a specialist periodontist, so he's got lots and lots of skills to his bow, so even complex implant cases he deals with on an everyday basis. However nervous you are, we can help you. There are a lot of people that are nervous of going to the dentist. Most people, with just a bit of extra time and looking after them and listening to them, we can get them through treatment. There's a small number of patients, a lot of whom haven't been for a very long time, who just don't even want to walk through the door. Even those patients we can help because we're really lucky to have Dr. Rob Endicott, who is our sedation dentist, and he can help you through. He'll talk to you in the car park before you want to walk in the door if you want to. It's absolutely no problem. We will get you through it. Sedation is a remarkably safe technique where we use some drugs to send you a little bit more relaxed than you might normally be, shall we say. You don't tend to remember any of the treatment whatsoever. And for some people, that alone is enough to go, that's what I want. I don't want to know what's happened. I just need it done because I don't want to be in pain anymore. You don't need to carry on suffering. Come here and we will help you.
Book an appointment online today by visiting cromwellparkdentalcare.co.uk or call 01608 642 993. Thanks for watching.
And we look forward to seeing you soon.